everybody. Today we are doing a 2023 Crf250 dirt bike review. As you can see, it is not fully stock, but most of the engine and everything that makes it go fast is stock. Muffler. We did switch out the clutch and brake levers to the CRF breakaways. These do work pretty good. I'd rather have these than the stock ones. Does have a battery right under the seat here. You gotta take the bolts out right there to get the seat off. Preferably this is everybody's different, but I like my bike to be pretty loud, people can hear me coming. But the 250 2023s, where they have that battery, you can hear that electricity. So all you gotta do is take your baffler out right in there in your muffler. The shocks on this bike, they're pretty good, which I might change mine just because I go on a little rough rides. Put these saddlebags on, waterproof. Put a bunch of stuff in here, put like hatchets, whatever in here, put your phone. We did put a speaker on this one. But overall, the 250s, Hondas, pretty good. Sprocket, it's a 52 tooth sprocket on there. Brake system works amazingly. Saved me a few times. Overall, it's a real good bike. You put a headlight on there if you want, like this. We'll just go ahead and start it up for you. As you can see here, when you start it up, there's a gas light. It comes on. You wait for it to come on and kick that gas light off. But that is very helpful. And then it's a button press. Switch button, as you can see there. Always remember to keep your key off, and as you can see, my bike's a little low on gas. The gas light was on. Real helpful with the newer models. We did put these aftermarket brush guards on there, hand guards, or whatever people want to say. We are ordered some new grips. These are a little bit damaged, not much, but new grips coming in. Pretty good bike from what I use it for. Good tires. Top speed on this bike, not really for sure, but I have had it. I know for a fact I have had it 73 mile an hour on the road here. Goes pretty fast. It's a good bike, not too big, not too small. But yeah, that's the CRF250 2023. Thank you for watching.